Hi, it's January 5th, 2025. This is Kansas City's first snowstorm. We got about, quarter inch of ice underneath all this snow. We're probably at about 3 inches of snow right now. And for years, we really haven't gotten a lot of snow. We used to get a lot of snow when I was a kid, but not so much anymore. We get maybe one snowstorm that has 4 to 6 inches, and then everything else is like a dusting, maybe a half inch to an inch. But we're supposed to get anywhere between 6 and 12 inches today. It's about 18 degrees right now, and it's going to drop down to 0. And this is going to go on all day and into the evening. This is a storm that's covering about half of the country. So right now, I mean, the snow's coming down good. The winds are, it's pretty windy, but the winds are supposed to get up to like 35, 40 miles an hour, and that's really going to blow this stuff. I'm not going out to clean off the driveway at the moment. As you can see, it's all nice, pristine snow. But the neighbor across the street, she has a snowblower. So when this ends, she'll be out with her snowblower, and then she always lets me use it on my driveway. So don't have to shovel anymore, and that's a nice thing. Need to grab my snow shovel here so that I can go out back and clear a bigger area for Sam to do what dogs need to do outside. The snow gets deep. She needs some space where she can squat. All right, so I'm gonna show you something here. I've got this scarf that I wear every year. My mom made it for me when I was 18 years old, and it's still in great shape. I'm 67, so this thing has lasted me, what is that, 49 years? Made it when I was 18, I'm 67. You do the math. But it keeps me warm, and it's wonderful. And it's a nice reminder of Mom, too. Boy, it is cold out there. I didn't have my gloves on. My hands are frozen. When I showed you the front yard with all the snow, and I got the snow shovel, went around back, and shoveled an area for Sam's bathroom area. Shoveled off. There's 3 steps down from the back door to the patio. Last night, when we started getting the ice, I had to go out there and I put some little carpeting down on the steps so that Sam wouldn't slip around on the steps, because she did slip a little when I was bringing her in, when it was after it had first started. So I went out back just a little while ago, cleared her an area, cleared her a little path over to her doghouse so that she's not having to walk through, you know, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 inches of snow. I'll probably have to go out and do it again, simply because more snow accumulation and the high winds are causing it to drift. So I'll keep a path cleared for her in a little area. But it's, what did I say, 18 degrees. It's about 0 wind chill, and it's supposed to be getting worse. Actual high temperatures are going to be like in the single digits, and low digits below 0 coming tonight and tomorrow. Going to be cold all week long. So it's the first real brush with winter this year, and One of the things I'm happy to have, I showed it to you earlier, but I didn't have an opportunity to show the whole thing for you. This is a scarf that my mother hand crocheted for me when I was 18 years old. This is 49 years old. Here, it opens up. I always keep it doubled over, but it keeps me warm. It's a nice memento. I just put it around, keep your neck warm, double it over. And I've got all of this down here to keep my core warm under the winter coat. And I absolutely love it. People have mocked me for wearing a scarf during the winter time. I don't know why. I like to be comfortable year round. So if it's cold out, I'm going to wear cold weather clothing. I always have a stocking cap in the pocket of my coat, my winter coat. I have one in my car. When you're out in cold weather, make sure you have what you need in your car in case it breaks down. I always keep an extra coat in there. I keep a couple of blankets in there. I have a safety pack that I have all sorts of emergency. I've got one that has tools in it, and I've got one that if I'm out, driving away from the city or something, and I break down or something happens, I can survive. I'm not a prepper, but I am always prepared. I was a Boy Scout. So plan ahead during bad weather, cold weather. You can survive a lot easier in hot weather if you don't overexert yourself than you can in cold weather. Cold weather can kill you. So play it safe. If you're having to shovel your driveway, take your time on it, particularly if you're an older gentleman like myself. But there are more heart attacks from right after people shovel their driveways. So take it easy. Do a little bit here, a little bit there. If you have a snowblower, great. If you have a neighbor with a snowblower, even better. So I'll keep track of the snowfall and maybe get back to you here in a little while with an update. And I should take a yardstick out there so we can actually see how much snow we're getting. But it's going to be different amounts all throughout the city depending on what area you're in. We have thunder in this storm, and when you have thunder in a snowstorm, it creates a heavier snowfall. So we'll see how things go. Subscribe, like, make a comment, come back and watch this video. Well, if you're watching this video, you don't have to come back to watch this video. Come back, watch some other videos. Let me know if you like them. Just give me updates, make comments. Thank you much, and hope to see you again.